welcome to my channel, and thanks for tuning in. Today we are going to talk about this Metabo miter saw. Okay, so I have a couple of projects that I need to get done around the house, mainly the 1/4 inch round molding, floor molding that I need to get done. So I needed a miter saw to make those 45 and those 22-degree angles. So just one project, and then another project we're going to do a minivan conversion, camper van conversion. So I'm excited about that. So I know I would need some equipment. So of course, if you're a carpenter, you're not planning on being a carpenter or master woodworking guy, then I think this saw is really the best for DIY, do it yourself at home, unless you want to spend $300-400. I didn't want to spend $300 to $400 for a miter saw. I wanted something that was inexpensive, that will also get the job done. So this little baby actually did really well for what I needed. If you're a carpenter, then you're doing long-term or big projects, then maybe this isn't the saw for you. Maybe you do need the $500 saw, but this was fairly inexpensive, and I'll put the link down in the description where you can buy it. And the cost, it was like $120, somewhere around in there, on Amazon. So the one thing that I was a little bit nervous about with the Amazon orders, when it came, it wasn't completely sealed like new. I bought it new, but I could tell that the packaging had been opened. Maybe it was a return, maybe someone purchased it, didn't like it, put it back in a box and resold it. So I'm noticing that with some of the Amazon orders, so be careful when you're purchasing new. I didn't want to go through the process of sending this back and waiting for the next one. I wanted to get started on my projects. So I plugged it in, made sure it worked. It worked fine, and for the most part, I'm halfway done through my project. But it's a really good saw. It does have this rotating table here. I was able to do my 45-degree angles, my 22s, as well as straight cuts, and it worked really well. It does have a locking mechanism to bring it up here. It has the bag to catch as much dust as possible, but it didn't. Of course, it's not going to be a completely clean job, but for the most part, it worked very well. I'm happy with the purchase. I'll put all the details for this saw. It's a 10-inch compound miter saw by Metabo, okay, HPT. So I'll put the link down in the description. This is definitely one you want to get. It's probably almost the least expensive one that you can find, just to get those projects done around the house. So good luck with whatever projects you guys have working on, but I definitely recommend this saw. It worked perfectly. Okay, thanks for tuning in, and be sure to subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be posting a lot more videos on some of the other tools that I use for one of my projects. So tune in if you'd like to see more videos like this. Subscribe, and good luck with your projects. Thanks again. Bye. Okay, and I'm back. I totally forgot. Here's some footage of me actually using the saw. So enjoy.